Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Mom! I'm home!
Oh, buti na yung sipang pang umuwi bata ka. Di mo ba nakikita oras na?
Mom, the engine of the school bus has overheated along the way. So, I don't have any choice but to walk. And do you know what? It's very hot out there, so can you please turn on the air condition? Mom? Mom, are you okay? What? Did I say something wrong? Mom? Mom?
Ouch!
Mom, what happened? Are you okay?
Napaso ako na iwan ko yung sandok sa kalan. Tapos mainit na. Hindi ko alam.
Oh my gosh! I think you should go to the salon first and take a rest. I'll be the one to cook and boil water, okay?
Sige, mag-iingat ka.
Mom! I have made you a cup of coffee. Come on, taste it.
O ano naman yan, suhol?
Of course not. I want you to be happy.
I want you to be happy. Nang araw ka na kaya late umuwi.
I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't mean it to do so. You know, my schedule's very hectic, so I need to submit my projects on time.
Okay. Pero nak-thank you. Okay, malag muna tayong TV.
Hindi ko kasi yung kaklase ko eh.
Ano yan? Basa? Bakit? Nagbasag ulo ka na naman?
Hindi mo nga eh.
You have just watched an application of physics, which is the heat transfer application. Yes, what you've seen is an application of heat transfer. But wait, what is heat transfer all about? There are theories on how heat transfer can occur, and these are conduction, convection, and radiation.
Conduction. Let's take a look at a picture that represents conduction. What do you think conduction means, just by looking at this picture? Conduction is a transfer of heat or thermal energy by touching. It occurs in solids. It is a transfer of heat from the warmer part of an object to the cooler part of the same object. For example, if you have a pot that is on the stove, it's going to get hot on the surface that's touching the burner, and that will continue to move to the cooler part of the pot that is up at the top. It can also be transferred from a hotter object to a cooler object. Refer back to the picture. On the picture, the metal spoon was leaning up against the metal pot. That metal spoon will become hot because that heat will be transferred from the hot pot to the cold spoon. The next type of energy transfer we're going to look at is convection. Take a look at this picture. What do you think convection means? All right. Convection, unlike conduction, occurs in liquids and gases. It is the transfer of heat through the movement of particles. Warm particles rise, cool particles fill in the space below. So this is a circular motion. Think about a house. Have you ever noticed that maybe upstairs or in an attic it gets warmer? That's because the warm air rises, and it's usually colder downstairs. All right, the third energy transfer we're going to discuss is radiation. Take a look at the picture and decide what you think radiation means. It is a transfer of energy as waves, and it travels through matter or empty space. So radiation, what we usually think about is the sun. The earth is warm because the rays from the sun are traveling through matter and casting the heat to the earth. So let's take a look at one more picture. This picture demonstrates all three forms of energy transfer. Right now, I want you to take a moment to look at this picture and explain how conduction, convection, and radiation are demonstrated in the visualization.